Welcome, Salman. Before we proceed any further, there's a little clip that we would like all of you to see. Hi. Hi. Welcome. Welcome, sir. Welcome, please. Salman, sir, I'm told that there's somebody who's very special and from the Being Human family, the eCycle family, that you'd like to invite with us to join us on stage today.
Yes, Atul sir. Atul sir, please.
Atul, sir, the CEO of the Being Human eCycle family. Please welcome him, guys. So Salman sir, tell us, the brand Being Human has been amazing with its line of fashion and jewelry. So I guess the question on everybody's minds here is, why cycles?
I've always been riding cycles since I was a child. I remember my first cycle, Dad got on rent at 25 paisa.
Right.
And he held my seat and he pushed me ahead. I thought he was still running behind me. And then after some time when I looked back, he was just standing somewhere else and I was riding on my own. So that one connect has always been there. And Dad at that point in time didn't do so well. He was like struggling as a writer and actor and stuff like that. So I remember the first cycle that he bought me was a chopper. And then after that he bought me, in those days, a cycle for 3,000 rupees, when his salary at that time must have been about 750 to 1,000 rupees. So it was like really nice of him to do that for me at that point in time. It was a rally grifter. And then that cycle journey continued, and I've used so many films as well. The last film I rode a cycle was in Kick, Maine Pyar Kiya, and every film that I get a chance, I ride a cycle. Even in Tube Light right now, we've been riding cycles throughout.
Fantastic. It's amazing to hear that story, and you have such amazing childhood memories, and we can all relate to them as our first stories of riding cycles. And today, it is your one of your dreams of launching your own cycle.
So we all used to go to Indore for our holidays, vacations.
Right.
And there was this one moped that was called Luna.
Right.
And since that time I had this thought that the body of the vehicle should be so light that, even if you run out of gas, you could pedal. Sure. And then we used to see, villagers with their wives, with their children, cycling, for miles and miles. So at that point in time, Atul sir and me worked together on Suzuki. I was the brand ambassador, he was heading Suzuki. So even that time I used to tell Atul sir, some jugaad a cycle, some jugaad we should do that, it's like cheaper, it's safe, it'll just make, commuting from point A to point B very easy. So kept on throwing ideas till the time we both were thrown out of Suzuki. And then we thought that we should start something on our own. And this is our jugaad now, the e-bike, which I've tested over like a year and a half now, and I've been riding them everywhere. In one award function, even Shah Rukh and me rode it, and I ride them from Panvel back. So if you pedal with it, even on flyovers, you can touch like a really good speed. So this cycle does about about 25 kilometers an hour, and you can ride it without pedaling for about good 40 kilometers, but we say 30. 30 is also more than enough.
Fantastic, Salman. I really wish you the best. It looks awesome, and I'm sure it rides awesome as well. Mr. Gupta, my question to you is that the e-cycle is definitely a step in the right direction towards a cleaner, greener future, right? And the majority of vehicles today on the road today are not really, connected to that. So while we are riding towards a more sustainable, environment-friendly cycle, the question is, what's next for the Being Human e-cycle?
See, I think it's important that we have taken this road of electric. And I think it's important that we stabilize and consolidate in this part before we take the next step. Because the road is long enough, and one can take it with Salman sir long, but you need to first stabilize and consolidate it.
Of course.
और हिंदुस्तान में बहुत सारा कच्चा रास्ता भी है, तो साइकिल की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ेगी वहाँ.
So as much as I'd love to ask and pick your brains and ask you all both many more questions, we have very patient members of the media here. So I'd like to open out the floor to members of the press. My only request is, because we've got limited time, we center and focus our questions around this launch and the cycle, please. Yep.
Hello, sir. Salman, so my question is to you. I just wanted to ask, is there a kids version of the cycle?
Yes, the next lot. The next lot is, the 20
And
inch.
are there any more variants that we can expect?
By August. I have this thing of starting, whatever you start it really small. Okay, like for example, the first film that I did, Maine Pyar Kiya, released only in 18 screens. And then after that I started picking up, and it ran for about 3 years, and my whole life changed after that. So even like the Being Human clothing. So I remember going to Mithun Das' son's music release, wearing a t-shirt that I painted. And the press took pictures. 2 days later, I was passing by Linking Road and I saw the same t-shirt being sold. So I said, yeah, might as well, start your own clothing brand right now. So then we went to Cotton World, 3-4 t-shirts, just Being Human written on there. And then from there today, Being Human is one of the fastest growing brands in clothing in our country. So we started small. The same thing also with cycles, because it's a business model, but then eventually it all goes back to the charitable trust. So we just want to start it like everything really small, and let it grow, get the awareness, have people like the product and then buy it and not care about acha iska paisa charity mein jayega. First they have to like the product to buy it. So we are like really careful about the the quality of our clothing, the jewelry, and now the cycles. So we're starting cycles also really small. I mean, we have 300 pieces which are already sold out. Then we have ordered before another 1,000 which are also gone, and now we have to order some more. So we've started off really small on this one.
खान साहब, आलोक दिस साइड आपके राइट में. सर सवाल है कि क्या प्राइस रेंज होगी इसकी और किस तरीके से आम आदमी इससे खरीद सकेंगे, अगर थोड़ा ये बता सकें.
साइकिल्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, जितना शौक है उतनी प्राइस बढ़ती जाएगी. बट आई थिंक ये है इट रेंज अराउंड 40,000 and 57,000. ओके, तो इसके अंदर वो ऐसा अब इस वक्त ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा है, बट देन EMIs वगैरह के ऊपर वो टाई अप हो गया है.
खान साहब, जब भी आपका नाम
you can 12 महीने से 18 महीने तक you can चुका सकते हो इसका. So it works out to about 2,500 rupees a month.
सर, आपका जब नाम जुड़ता है तो चाहे कपड़े हों, चाहे ज्वेलरी हो, चाहे साइकिल हो, लोग ये समझते हैं कि मैं सलमान की चीज़ खरीदने जा रहा हूँ, वो पहनने जा रहा हूँ.
वो हमें एहसास है. वो हमें एहसास है.
इस बात का कितना ख्याल रखते हैं आप जब किसी चीज़ को लॉन्च करते हैं?
बहुत ज़्यादा. तो ये साइकिल्स मैंने करीबन 1-1.5 साल चलाई हैं. तो मुझे पता है कि मैं बचपन से साइकिल चलाता आया हूँ. तो आई नो दैट दे आर रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग, ड्यूरेबल, इनको खुदवाई भी हैं, गिराई भी हैं, तो एट एन एवरेज बिना कोई तकलीफ दिए ये चलती हैं करीबन 30-35 किलोमीटर। तो 2 चार्ज के ऊपर मैं यहाँ से फिल्म सिटी गया हूँ और वापस भी आया हूँ, तो इट्स वेरी एफिशिएंट।
Salman sir, hi, I'm Karishma from...
So basically what this thing is कि एक ट्रांजिशन होता है कि सडनली बच्चा बड़ा होता है एंड माँ बाप से मोटरसाइकिल मांगता है, विच इज़ द मोस्ट डेंजरस थिंग देयर इज़ एवर, बिकॉज साइकिल से डायरेक्टली मोटरसाइकिल, हाई पावर्ड मोटरसाइकिल्स एंड स्पीड, सबसे ज़्यादा कैजुअलिटीज़ डेथ्स उसी के अंदर होती हैं। तो दिस इज़ वन ट्रांजिशन फेज। फिर ट्रैफिक इतना बढ़ गया है तो छोटी मोटी यहाँ से खार जाना है, जू जाना है, टाउन जाना है, तो ये साइकिल उतना डिस्टेंस तो कर ही लेगी, यहाँ से वर्सोवा तक वापस। सो यू एक बार ले लिया, फिर ना इसका पेट्रोल का चक्कर ना कोई चक्कर है। तो ऑल यू गॉट टू डू कि जहाँ पेडल मारना आपने पेडल मार लिया, जहाँ पर आपको से मोटरसाइकिल की तरह चलाना आपने चला लिया। तो एक पीपल हु हैव रिडन मोटरसाइकिल्स, अब थोड़ी सी आंखें कमज़ोर हो गई हैं, एज की वजह से पैर कमज़ोर हो गए हैं, तो मोटरसाइकिल का वेट ना नहीं लिया जाता और वो स्पीड से डर लगने लगता है। घर वाले भी they worry about your father going on a scooter or motorcycle, so for them this is like the best mode of transport। फिर स्कूल जाते हैं बच्चे, लंबी डिस्टेंसेस दैट। फिर रिसोर्ट्स के अंदर और फैक्ट्रीज़ के अंदर, लार्ज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अंदर, आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स दैट वन कैन डू के पेडल भी मान लिया और फिर जहाँ थक गए आपने एक्सीलेटर दे दिया और चलते गए आप।
Salman sir, hi, I'm Karishma from BTVI. My question to you is about the electric vehicle plan that is coming in India by 2030. Government Modi ji plans to make it completely electric vehicles. I just want to know your opinion that do you think sir कि 100% EVs अगर हो जाएंगे, so is that going to be a good motive towards a no pollution
We've already started this cycle, so we're for it. This plan has just come out right now.
Absolutely.
We've been working on this cycle for more than a year and a half.
All right. Thank you.
भाईजान मेरा आपसे सवाल है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द माइलस्टोन दैट यू हैव अचीव। तो मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि ट्यूबलाइट में आप आपके भाई के साथ हैं, तो ऐसे हम कह सकते हैं कि बचपन की सारी यादें वापस आ गई थी। अगर आप 1-2 वाकया इसका शेयर करना चाहें जब आप शूट करते थे सोहेल के साथ, तो कुछ पल जो आपने बचपन में शायद जियो और फिर से रिक्रिएट हो गया वो स्क्रीन पे, आपको याद आ गया, कुछ ऐसा कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसे घर के मोमेंट्स तो डाले नहीं पिक्चर के अंदर, जो स्क्रीन प्ले के अंदर जो सीन्स हैं वो तो होते ही हैं, लेकिन जब कट होता है और एक्शन से पहले वो जो हमारे मोमेंट्स होते हैं वो घर के मोमेंट्स, भाई हैं, तो वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम।
हेलो
बाजी आपने डरा दिया आयल को।
Salman, hi, this is Ankita this side. Congratulations first of all. And आपने इंदौर का जिक्र किया, मैं भी इंदौर की ही हूँ, तो मैं आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लान जानना चाहती हूँ कि जो टियर 2 सिटीज़ हैं इंदौर, वहाँ पर ये साइकिल कब तक अवेलेबल हो सकती है?
अतुल सर,
हमने जो प्लान किया है वो मुंबई में आज से शुरू हो जाता है और बिफोर जीएसटी महाराष्ट्र के अंदर नागपुर, पुणे के मिला के हो जाएगा और फिर सदर्न सिटीज़ के अंदर शुरू हो जाएगा। इंदौर में करीबन ये सितंबर तक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बन जाएगा।
Salman, hi here. We see a lot of youngsters riding cycle and getting into racing and all on roads. Would there be any piece of advice that you would be giving to them?
That's cycle or motorcycle? Cycle. Cycles, okay. I think motorcycles are really dangerous for them as well as for other people around. And I see, because we shoot at Film City, so that highway, I see a lot of these people, racing and very recklessly. And in fact, when they used to have this race at the Reclamation, I have lost a friend of mine there. So I'm against that. अगर रेस करना है तो फिर जाके रेस ट्रैक पे रेस करो. Don't bet and race on the main road and put yourself in danger and one innocent person who's traveling as well.
भाईजान मेरा आपसे एक और सवाल है प्लीज़। आपके एक टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी भी आ रही है, अगर उसके बारे में कुछ स्टेटस आप बताना चाहें और विच टैलेंट विल यू बी फोकसिंग ऑन? विल इट बी?
अभी कुछ नहीं सर पाजी ज़्यादा मत उड़ो आप प्लीज़, थोड़ा सा इसी के ऊपर है ना अपन यहाँ पर कहाँ पे ये बीइंग ह्यूमन साइकिल के लॉन्च के ऊपर आप चले गए ट्यूबलाइट के ऊपर, उसके बाद मैनेजमेंट कंपनी आप मैनेज करेंगे मेरा काम।
सलमान सर,